you leave your faith in time, then it's over for you. Your escape right now is the space of another, because the truth is way too much for you to handle.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be creating this eye look. Super simple, on the go, nothing difficult. So let's get into the video. Yeah.
Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Now I know I'm not the only one that likes being bored alone at home with nothing but the TV on and a t-shirt on. Whoa, everybody's staring, but I'm not caring. I'm on my own, and I don't care, cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, yes I am, and I don't care. I got a man at home, but he's not here now. So watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Come closer, boy, let me whisper some chosen words into your mind. But don't believe it, I'm a little uneasy when I'm lifted. I'm kind of stoned right now, but I don't drink, so please don't make a sound. Don't tell nobody that you saw me, boy. I'm just gonna shake my hair and everybody's posted up on the wall. But I don't care, cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, and I don't care whose party this is. It's gonna be mine now. Watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Hey boy, come here. I see you, boy, I see you standing over there. You want some of this? Come here, baby, come take a lick, and I don't care where we go after this, as long as it's not to my crib. See, I don't want nobody there. Nobody has to know where I rest my head. They don't, cause only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here at night. Hey boy, I see you standing over there. You want some of this? Come here, baby, come take a lick, and I don't care where we go after this, as long as it's not to my crib. See, I don't want nobody there. Nobody has to know where I.
So this is the face. Hope you like it.